Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of types of spinner. Here in the series we are going to learn about different types of spinner, how to design different types of spinner with the help of HTML and CSS. So first of all we are going to our git bash and open this morph file with the Visual Studio Code. So here is the command of git bash code dot with the help of this code space dot our folder is open directly in the VS Code. So just press enter and it will take little bit time. So okay, it will take some more time, so just a few bits later. Okay, so our folder is load in the VS Code. In this first we are created index.html file. Yeah, what happened? So just another file, index.html. Okay, so here we have index.html. Just to made one other file, that is a index.css. good enough. So in the index.html we are going to initialize a boiler template. So here is our boiler template, and first of all we are link our CSS with the HTML. So link style sheet, and what is the href? So href is the link to the CSS, that is index.css. So our CSS is linked to the HTML index.html. So first of all we are made a spinner. So just make a div like div dot spinner. So spinner is the class and div is the box type. So go to the index.css, just made a universal. So in this padding should be 0 and and margin should also 0. good enough. So X is the spinner, spinner. Okay, so just made a height, just give a height of 100 pixel and width of 100 pixel. It will good enough. And another thing is animation. So wait, this will not good. Animation. So this is the short end of the animation. So name should be morph, morph, and the duration like 220 millisecond. good. And timing function is not there, so just delete. Delay should be 100 ms. good one. Iteration count is infinite. Direction is not there, so just delete it. And field mode is not there, so just delete it. good. Now what happened? Now what we do? We have to initialize a keyframe, and the identifier name is the morph. Here we are given a morph name to the animation. So morph. Okay. So just to give a 0%. We are divide our animation to 0%, 50% and 100%. So 0%, 50%, and sorry, this 50% and 100%. Okay, done. So what we are given here? We are given here something like a rotation, because we are doing rotation. So here first give border radius like 100, give 50%. Okay. Background color, give it blue, not blue, just give pink. good color. And a transform like rotation. So transform, rotate it with 0 degree. good. And just copy this stuff and paste it here. Border radius should be 100%, or border radius should be okay, 100% good. Yeah, if you're not border radius, just skip it. Wait, skip it. And background color should be changed, so we are giving like light color, so this is good. And changes should be 180°, so just copy and copy this stuff, copy path, just open Chrome. I have some live server problem, so I'll just find the glitch here. Wait, Chrome will open in some time. What happened here? Okay, Chrome will open here. Yeah, so Control V. Yeah, so enter. So here the spinner, you can see it. I can give it a big size so you can see properly, like 200 pixel. And here I will also give 200 pixel and give a dark color, blue type. Good. So you can see the spinner that will rotate again and again and again.